Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we studied hard water and soft water. But today we are going to study methods of removing hardness of waters. Now, let's discuss in details. Methods of removing hardness of water. Hardness of water is of two types. First one, temporary hardness. Second one, permanent hardness. Each type has different removal methods. Now let's discuss one by one in details. First one, methods of removing temporary hardness. Temporary hardness is caused by calcium bicarbonate, Ca and HCO3 whole taken 2, magnesium bicarbonate, Mg and HCO3 whole taken 2. Now we study methods through which we can remove temporary hardness of water. Methods 1. Boiling. When water is boiled, bicarbonates decompose. Reaction Ca into HCO3 whole taken 2 give CaCO3 precipitate plus CO2 plus H2O. Mg into HCO3 whole taken 2 give Mg into OH whole taken 2 precipitate plus CO2. And solvent precipitates are formed and removed by filtration. Method 2. Clark's methods mean lime treatment. In this method, slacked lime Ca into OH whole taken 2 is added. Reaction Ca into HCO3 whole taken 2 plus Ca into OH whole taken 2 give 2 CaCO3 precipitate plus 2 H2O. Calcium carbonates precipitates out, removing hardness. Now the second one, methods of removing permanent hardness. Permanent hardness is caused by calcium sulfate, CaSO4, magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, calcium chloride, CaCl2. Now we study methods through which we can remove permanent hardness of water. Method 1. Washing soda. Adding sodium carbonate Na2CO3 converts soluble salt into insoluble carbonates. Reaction CaSO4 plus Na2CO3 gives CaCO3 precipitate plus Na2SO4. Precipitate is removed by filtration. Method 2. Ion exchange. Hot water is passed through ion exchange resins. Ca double positive and Mg double positive are replaced by Na positive ions. Water becomes soft, widely used in modern water softeners. Method 3. Zeolite method. Zeolite in Na2Z exchanges sodium ions with calcium and magnesium, dissolves hard water into soft water. Methods for both types, temporary and permanent hardness of waters. Some methods remove both types of hardness. First one, distillation. Water is boiled, steam formed, steam is condensed. All salts remain behind, pure water obtained. Second one, reverse osmosis. Water passes through a semi-permeable membrane, removes dissolved salt impurities, produces clean drinking water. Now submergibles. Types of hardness, methods of removal. Temporary hardness of water are removed by boiling and Clark's method, while permanent hardness of water is removed by washing soda methods and ion exchange and zeolite methods. And both types of temporary and permanent hardness of water are removed through distillation and reverse osmosis. Conclusions. Temporary hardness is removed by boiling and lime treatment, while permanent hardness is removed by chemicals and ion exchange methods. Modern methods like reverse osmosis and distillation remove all types of hardness. So my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on methods removing hardness of waters. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.